Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I remember I tell you guys that, JamRock was going through some renovation. So I just want to share the new look with your family. Today is a very special day right here. But I just want to share this with you guys and let you guys see the new space. We have Anna. Give yourself a shout out.
Yes, please. Today we are at JamRock again. We've met with him impromptu. So please, I'm a Kenyan YouTuber. Can you go and subscribe? And not just subscribe, watch my videos, the whole of them. And also leave in the comment section that you're from Jam Tours so that we can know.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright, family. So we're there. And as I was saying to you guys that we're doing some renovation at JamRock. So I'm going to share the new look with you guys. So when you come to JamRock, the experience that you can get and the Jamaican experience will be all the way up. So first, family, this is the space. We have an outside space. So if you want to eat outside, you can eat outside. We also have a space over there. You can eat over there. But inside here is like the kitchen. That's a dining experience. As you can see, we have the wall, the wallpaper. Yeah man, the place look real nice, real expansion going. And we love it and we like it. It's at the kitchen here and stuff. Yeah family, but what is most important, what I like the most is the bar. The bar set up real nice. I like this high seat. So you can sit down and you can have your drink and stuff family. So right there, so we have Usain Bolt right there so. And I see the chair them nice, a big upgrade, David. I love the upgrade. They even have something to the back. Yeah man, it's nice. You have a four for a group right here. Yeah man, it's a good look. Shelf one stack up though.
Still a bit.
Yeah. So this are the man behind everything, family, and really like it. So we are looking for a lot of people to come through and pass through. I come get the Jamaican flavor and vibes. Yo, we have a slogan, What you like the new place?
A full place, A full place. We response feed. Looking at the bar, you see the bartender.
No man, a bar tough.
Bar bartender.
I was saying Jamaica bar tough.
Bar tough, yes, but this one a bartender.
Yeah, family.
Nice.
So we there, family. Who that? Dominic?
Yo.
Oh, go on, man. Remember we didn't meet already, man. At village. Yeah, man. We there, man. Everything come back to the circle. Once we are Jamaican, you know the thing set. Yeah, family. So I just said the thing set. So when you watch this video, you realize, what I go on. Come in and check out.
That I go on, what I go on.
Yeah, family. So we're actually there today with our Canadian Jamaican brother who actually create the right to our board and really want actually, make you guys know what I go on. Because a lot of people right now, a lot of people come to Africa and they want to stay in Africa but they don't have the rights. And the rights is what we are doing right now. The rights for you to aboard back to Africa, family. So you create a document right now, to give you the rights to come back to Africa. And we as content creator family, we all need to push this family. So I'm calling out for Wadamaya. He's like, the biggest content creator we have here in Africa. And he's the one that is champion a lot of Africans to come back to Africa. But it only makes sense that when you come back, you have the rights to come back, family. So that's what we really want to do, family. And so I'm calling on Wadamaya. I'm saying quit YouTube. But Wadamaya, before you quit YouTube, I really want you to actually, blast this out. I really want you to do a video on this because this is very important. And this is what we need. This is what all Africans outside of Africa need to actually come back to Kenya or come back to Africa, to any African country of your choice. This is what you need, family. You need this document. We need this 5,000 signature on this document. And if you are watching this right now, I want you to actually, you know what I mean, line it up and wind it up. And actually, you know what I mean, if you watch this video and the link is there, I want you to copy that link and take it and paste it all over social media. Because we know that a lot of people actually, you know what I mean, watching this and want, you know what I mean, to come back to Africa. But when you come back, there's a big problem, family. Big problem when you come back to Africa. You find that there is a lot of problems with you going through immigration and doing a lot of stuff. You know what I mean? So we want to make it so easy that even the common man can actually come back actually to any African country and have the right to set up business, the rights to do a lot of things, family. You know what I mean? Even the common man will just have a one-way ticket. We want to make it possible for him to come back and actually help develop the continent because, you know what I mean, as you know, we Jamaicans, you know what I mean, we set the pace and set the trend for a lot of things, family. And you know what I mean? And it's just accidental or it's just the universe that make this brother come up with this, you know what I mean? This piece of document that we can actually use to have the rights to come back, the rights to immigration, the rights to a lot of stuff, the rights to work, the right to start business, and you don't have to pay all of this money to actually get set up in Africa, family. So, you know what I mean? I'm here with the brother and we're gonna share with you the benefits, you know, why you should sign this petition. And we also want to share with you a lot of, you know what I mean, ideas and stuff. So I'm gonna do an interview with him and he's gonna actually, you know, man, explain in details what will happen after he get this 5,000 signature on this document. So he will explain. He actually tell me what he's gonna do already. You know what I mean? So it's we know to carry the baton right now. Everything is on our shoulders as content creators and people who tell people to come back to Africa. You know what I mean? You know, make no sense. They tell people to come back to Africa and they don't have the right to a board. Ghana have the right to a board. You know what I mean? Me and Wadamaya, we have so much in common. We actually have Kenyan wife and we actually are citizens of Ghana. So we have so much in common and you know what I mean? You know, he love Jamaica and Jamaican love him too. So, you know what I mean? So we really want to actually, you know, make Wadamaya get this and hopefully he can make a video around this piece of document to share it with people. Because a lot of people, you know what I mean, here in Africa, a lot of people move back to Africa and them have the same experience by, you know what I mean, settling. It's easy to come back and buy a ticket and be a tourist. But when you decide you want to relocate and you want to actually, you know what I mean, you know, grow and raise your family here, you want to have your, God forbid, you know what I mean, I hope everyone will get everlasting life. Where you want your body to go in on the African side. You know what I mean? There's people out there who think like that and want that to happen to their body when they actually pass on. You know what I mean? So it's only good that you actually you know what I mean, sign this document, you know, and actually we get that 5,000 signature. So I'm calling out to Wadamaya again. Watch this Wadamaya. And I'll link up with this brother from Canada and actually, you know what I mean, see if you can actually, you can make a video around it. Interview him so he can talk so you can know more about it. You know what I mean? He's right here. And we're gonna start the interview. Just eat some Jamaican food.
Hello, my brother.
Yeah.
How are you?
This is it and that is it.
Man, blessings,
yes, family,
blessings.
this is it. So this is what we are promoting right now. And hope you guys, you know what I mean, go and sign that petition. 500,000 we're looking for. No,
5,000.
Just 5,000. Yeah. So I kind of see it go up a little from
Yes.
talk about it. So I'm calling out for Wadamaya. He said him quit YouTube. So this would be the perfect. Him can't quit YouTube and not talk about this.
He had messaged me and said he would help, but I know he gets busy, so
Yeah.
no hard feelings, you know.
No hard feelings, Wadamaya. We just there, so I just want you to see the importance of this. So our brother will explain more in the other video, but for now, this is just the intro.
Wadamaya can't quit YouTube yet. Just bill. Jamaican man until if bill, you can't quit YouTube yet. This is important, we got to do it.
Yeah,
Go on.
I don't know, a Jamaican, how we set the trend.
Good man.
A lot to talk about.
Yeah.
A lot to discuss.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
And check out One Love Africa. So it's a jam tour.
Yeah, and
You see
your
it,
channel
and
name
someone
Afro.
Afro-Jamaican.
Afro-Jamaican.
Afro-Jamaican. Even the bald head. Still Afro. We got you.
Yeah, man, yeah, family. So we're there at JamRock, and the place look nice now. They have a bigger place. You can wind up and dance up.
Blessings, blessings, man.
So we out. One love. God bless.
We said the last time we come to,
It's nice, man. It's nice.
Let's go upstairs now.
Upstairs.
Dance floor.
It's not impossible.
It's not impossible. I always buy the place.
Yeah.
I always buy the place. I go dance floor upstairs.
Put the recipes. Yeah, man. Go on. Don't tell me how, man. Because, let me tell you something. I eat recipes for years, you know.
Yeah.
And even when I'm Jamaican, my mother cook, I sit and put coconut milk in the recipes. This is the first time I actually taste it.
Yeah.
For years, not act. Yeah,
Years.
The first time I actually taste it.
Yeah.
I mean, man don't really like rice and peas.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the first to actually taste rice and peas.
No,
No, you can taste the coconut in it. I love
That
that.
would be the
Yeah.
richness.
Yes.
They're rich,
yeah,
yeah.
what we used to, when we just started, I used to do the coconut cream.
Yeah.
Tracy.
And I said, but hold on, I never seen Jamaican that.
Yeah, a real Jamaican style.
No, coconut and great.
Great idea, man. And juice it up.
I will never taste it. I mean,
Yeah.
Yeah, we
But
real
it's good.
coconut.
It's good. It's very, very good.
Make it
Very, very good.
rich.
All right,
Rich and
family.
creamy.
Just like, share, and comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let's go to 500.
We'll get to our next pictures.
5,000
No, we'll get to our next pictures.
petition signed by the end of this year. So we can walk down to Washington, walk to the African Union, walk to all immigration office in Africa and present this to them.